here is the no isomers. They are the isomers conformation. The isomers which are which are obtained by what they are saying which are obtained by no rotation of which one CH sigma bond CH sigma bond around what where you can rotate around CC single bond is called this is called what conformation. This is the okay. Now there are infinite number. How many? They are saying infinite number of conformation possible. Number of conformation possible. This is the meaning of the conformation. Conformation possible. Now we have to understand. Firstly, you try to know the representation. Okay. Here we are writing representation. Representation. Okay. Of conformation. So there are two types of representation are there. The first one is called Newman projection. Newman projection. This is what is called Newman projection.
Human project.
And another one is there we are having Sahar's projection. Sahar's projection. Okay. Newman projection, Sahar's projection. In Newman projection, there are two types. One is called staggered, and another is called eclipsed. Same one in the
Sir, actually,
Sahar's
what I know only this terminology, but sir, what they mean, I cannot say.
not a problem. It is very easy. Staggered, another is eclipsed. Okay.
Sir,
So
both are understood.
here you should first of all you should understand the conformation definition. Conformation. So the isomers, they are saying the isomers which are obtained by rotation of CH sigma bond. Which bond you are rotating? That is you are rotating CH sigma bond. Around what? CC single bond. This is what is there. Carbon-carbon single bond, that is sigma bond, is called the conformation. And there are infinite number of conformation are possible. Some are useful, some are important.
Sir,
Some
infinite number of confirmations are possible.
yeah, you can see, you can rotate very little, na, very little, and you can rotate maximum. Here you see, staggered means what they are saying 60-degree rotation is there, 60-degree. Here is eclipse means 0-degree rotation. Here is staggered is 60-degree. Here is eclipse means what is there? 0-degree rotation. So confirmation definition, I must say that you must have understood what is the meaning of confirmation definition.
Sir,
The
60 degrees, sir, this one I did not understand. The 60 zero this one.
that will take time now. Wait. Firstly, you understood this one or not? Definition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us cite it. First one. Here we are talking about Newman projection. Newman projection. Newman projection of confirmation. We are talking about Newman projection of confirmation. Okay, this is the first point we have to understand. So, what the Newman said, first of all, this is the what one is. See, we are talking about for I am it's for ethane. Okay, ethane. Newman projection, minimum two carbon required because they are saying around carbon single bond, so two carbon required. Ethane we are going. One is the dot,
But
another is the circle. One is the dot, another is the circle. This is what is called rear carbon, REAR, rear carbon. In other words, you can say back carbon, back carbon. Rear carbon, that is back carbon. Here the dot is representing, dot means front carbon.
Front carbon.
This is the front carbon. If the solid line is there, full, full single line. They are saying full single line. If it is the single line is there, but it is the full single line. The what it is representing, represent hydrogen of, what it is representing? Represent hydrogen of which one? Hydrogen of front carbon. Hydrogen of front carbon. Okay. Here is half single line. Half single line. Half single line. Okay. Represent. What it is going to represent? Represent hydrogen of back carbon. Hydrogen of back carbon. Okay. This is. Now, let us try to understand here what we can do here. Okay. Now, see. If talking about ethane, what is the formula? CH3, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, we are representing, this is the, which carbon? This full line I am representing. Okay. So, better I am better I am representing one more structure. Okay. Here. So, this one is there. This is the representing hydrogen. This is the hydrogen and this is the hydrogen. Right. Now, another one. See. What other things you can write? Here is another one is there. This is the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen and this is the hydrogen. So what you are going to find, this is the structure of conformation. This Newman projection, structure of Newman projection. Newman projection. Can you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you see, if you see the Newman projection. So Newman projection are two types. How many types? Two types. Not only two types, there are many types are there. But let us see. Here we are having the first one you see. This is the staggered one. And second one, eclipse. Do you know the solar eclipse? What is solar eclipse?
Sir, that the sun is being covered by the moon. So, sir, when the moon is coming exactly between the sun and the earth, so, sir, that sun is not visible, sir.
Okay. So same is here. Repulsion. More repulsion. Less stable. Least stable. Okay. Maximum. This is the maximum angle. Maximum angle is there. Okay. It is how maximum angle is possible between three hydrogen 60 degree only. Okay.
Yes, sir. But the angle should be equal.
Less repulsion. Less repulsion. And most stable. Most stable. Now, let us try to draw this structure. Here, this is the front carbon. This is the back carbon. Here is the hydrogen. This we are writing. Okay. Here is the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. Now, this is hydrogen. Here is the hydrogen. And this is the hydrogen. So now, this is what, staggered. Okay, staggered. Form of Newman projection. Newman projection. It's staggered form of Newman projection. How can I say this one? Because if you see the bond angle, what the angle you will find? Okay. Between these two, what are there? 60 degree are there. Everywhere you will find the 60 degree, so that it will come. Total 6 are there, na? So 360 will come as a circle. Anyone you can go, this is 60. Here you will go 60. Here it will get 60. Here also 60. This is the 60. Right? Not able to understand.
No,
Yes.
is there 1 second? Please explain.
See, between the front and back hydrogen, this is the back now. This is back hydrogen. And this is the front
Hmm.
hydrogen. Front. So what are the
Hmm.
distance angle is there? 60 degrees is there. So if
60.
the 60 degree is there, so here will be the no repulsion. No repulsion. No repulsion. No repulsion means it is going to be stable. Up see, it is repulsion. Staggered means going away. Staggered means going away. Okay, staggered. Anything become staggerized means going away. Now let us see the eclipse form. Okay, here we are making the eclipse form. Okay, here you see. This is the front carbon and this is the back carbon. Okay, now this is the hydrogen of the front uh, carbon hydrogen. This is hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now we are going for the another one. Let us see the another. Here the other back carbon hydrogen. Okay. Although we are mentioning little bit angle we are showing, but it is the absolutely behind. So here is the angle is almost 0 degree. 0 degree. So if 0 degree is there, what? It is going to be repulsion. If it is the repulsion, so it is going to be unstable. Unstable. Can you understand? No.
Sir, I'm writing. Sir, understood.
Understood. Okay. Good.
Sir, because if the direct it is there one above the other, sir, then definitely more repulsion will be there
Yes, 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 yes.
because they are closer.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, other one, this eclipse, these things, sir, we can see from the name itself, sir, that eclipse means.
At least by name itself, it is saying they are coming in front. The term here used na repulsion. This term,
Yes,
this is the term is called torsional strain. This is the word.
torsion.
This is called torsional strain. Torsional. Torsional strain. This repulsion is called torsional strain.
Sir, done.
Okay. Now, wait a little bit because some. This Anay, there is the few more terms are there. Fully eclipsed, fully staggered. Fully means what? Fully eclipsed, they are saying means 0 degree. Partial eclipse means they will say that is little bit angle will be there. Right? Fully, if anybody is saying fully staggered. So that is 60 degree. Partial staggered means it can be the less than 60 degree. Right? Now, another is there Gauche, Gauche. Gauche. No, Gauche is there.
Use the
Gauche.
use CC.
Gauche. Gauche. No, any conformation, any conformation, any conformation between, what is between staggered and eclipse, between staggered and eclipse, any conformation between staggered and eclipse. That is what is called Gaussian. Understood? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. In T, we have to do the NT conformation. Okay. NT conformation. NT conformation, it is going to be, that will be, opposite one is called NT conformation. But NT conformation is not there in the ethane. It is there in the butane. So let me tell you, NT conformation, NT, A-N-T-L, NT conformation. Okay. It is not there in NCRT if you search in the NCRT tool. So this is
Yes,
their
sir.
butane.
Sir, Gaussian, sir, what about that one? Sir, Gaussian?
Between the staggered and eclipse, that is called Gaussian conformation. This stability order
Sir.
is between the, this order is C, staggered, then it will be Gaussian, G-A-U-C-H-E, Gaussian. And then it will be what? This is going to be eclipse, eclipse. Another order you see, fully staggered, fully staggered, fully staggered. That is partial staggered, partial staggered, partial staggered. Then Gaussian, G-A-U-C-H-E, C-H-E, not Y, C-H-E. Then it will be the, here the eclipse they are saying, fully eclipsed. Here is eclipse only, ECL, eclipse. Next one, fully eclipsed.
Sir, what is the difference between so this one partial, staggered, and Gaussian?
That I am telling you. Decreasing order of step. Decreasing order of step. See, here is the 60 degree, less than 60 degree, less than 60 degree. Here is between, they are saying between what? 60 to 0 degree. 60 degree to 0 degree. Here is, okay, more than, it will be eclipse means more than 0, more than 0, more than 0. And here is 0. Here is 0, fully 0, fully 0, fully 60, less than 60, not more. Only the change is only 5 degree change is there. It can be 55 to 60. And here is 0 to 5. It can be 0 to 5 and it can be always 0. And this is the between 0 to 60.
0 to 5,
Uh,
0. So
mm,
this is 60, this is the 60 to 55.
yes, yes. Can't you understand this? You
Yes.
you need to read out the some other Akash material, then you will find, because these things you won't
Sir,
be
I
able
will
to.
read, sir. Sir,
Uh,
I will read.
uh. Now you got some little bit idea, na? It will help you to know the things. Okay, I'm erasing this. Can I? Okay,
Yes.
NT confirmation. NT confirmation. You see, it is not there in ethane, butane. It is there in the butane. Suppose if this is the we are having CH3, CH2. Here is CH2 and CH3. We have to take 1 and 2. Okay, you take 1 and 2. So when you are making this one, front and then back. So how we can mention this one? This is the CH3, hydrogen, hydrogen. If I will consider this one and another one you see. So here it will be there. This is the CH3, So similar group, you will find that is the opposite side. This CH3 of front carbon and CH3 of back carbon is the opposite side. Hey, Asa, this is the 180 degree. So this is called anti-conformation. Anti-conformation. This is the staggered form. Staggered form.
Sir, I did not understand this one, sir.
What you need to understand? Bulky group are opposite side. Bulky group are opposite side. This 60 degree is opposite to this one.
That one.
Huh?
In the middle, what is that one, sir?
First carbon, I am mentioning this is first carbon, middle. First carbon.
Okay, it is written one. Sir, actually, one.
Yeah. Two, with one carbon, two hydrogen are there, na? This hydrogen, this hydrogen. Another is, this is the methyl group here. Now the same one you see. If it is there like that. So this one, this much you try, that is more than sufficient, this one. Okay. Now we are representing Saw-Hertz projection, Saw-Hertz projection of ethane, Saw-Hertz projection of. Okay. Here, firstly, you see some points you need to understand. Here, two carbon are there. So first point is carbon and carbon bond is represented by tilted line, TILTED, by tilted line. This is the first one. What we can understand here, you will find the second point is, okay, carbon and hydrogen bond of both carbon shown, of both carbon shown. This is going to be shown fully. Now see, one hydrogen is there, another hydrogen, hydrogen. Here you see. So if this time is there, this is what is called, this is the Saw-Hertz projection. Saw-Hertz projection of ethane. Saw-Hertz projection of, this is what is called ethane. Getting? This is the front carbon. Down one is the front carbon. Front carbon. And the top one is the back carbon. Done. Hello? Now, here you see the same one we are going. Saw-Hertz. We are talking about Saw-Hertz. Here I am representing CH3 and here also CH3. So two types is possible. What is this is staggered. Staggered. And here is eclipsed. Eclipsed. Same one, 0 degree, unstable. Why unstable? 0 degree means repulsion. Repulsion. Here is what is there? 60 degree. What is there? If it is the 60 degree, no repulsion. No repulsion. So no repulsion, it is going to be stable. Now, here you can draw the structure. CH3 and CH3. So how you are going to get here? This is the structure. So here the angle is the very large angle. You will find large. So large here also going to be the large. So if the large is there, that is going to be staggered. Staggered. Now you are going to rotate this. So here, not the both the carbon. You cannot rotate the both the carbon. You need to rotate any one of the carbon. So hydrogen. This is again hydrogen. Here is hydrogen. So next time you can see here, this is the hydrogen. Here is the hydrogen, and this is the. So what you are going to find here? You are going to find the less angle, less distance. So it is the less distance, less distance. Here
So this
also,
one can you explain once again, sir, from the beginning, sir? Actually, this was a bit little bit disturbance was there, sir. The one computer I was doing, sir, that went off.
okay, less distance.
Only this side.
We want to move on. Okay, okay, Tanmay, wait. See, this is we are talking about is stagger. This is the Sahar's projection, na? Sahar's. This one you
Yes,
understood
sir.
or not?
Ah, this one is okay.
Uh,
This one is
so next one. Staggered means 60 degree, no repulsion is stable. Eclipse means 0
no.
degree. Now see, next one. Here you see, this one you will find what you are going to find. You see, this one exactly this line and this line are similar line it is representing, similar line. So what the similar line it indicate, here the angle is too much, large angle.
No, I didn't understand. So what
Between
angle
the
is too much?
see the between the distance, you see the between the distance between two hydrogen, large is there.
Yes, sir.
So large is there means it's staggered.
Okay.
Staggered means large is there, na? Large means no repulsion will be there, na? No repulsion. No repulsion. So it is going to be stable. Now the down one we rotate. How much we rotate? 60 degree. So if I rotate 60 degree, so these two bond will come here up and this go here. Okay. So 60 degree means this will come. This is occupying this position. This all gone off. So here the you will find that is the here angle you see now. Distance is less distance. Less distance means going to be repulsion, unstable. So this is going to be which form? Eclipse. And this is going to be what form? Stable. Can you understand this? Hello?
Sir, yes, I understood. Understood.
Here in this case, you need to see the distance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow, possible or not?
Sir, I
Tomorrow,
am available. For your availability, we will do so.
tomorrow you can study 3 to 4. That that is possible. 3 to 4 p.m. Can you?
Sir, okay, yes, sir.
You call me 3 to 4. Okay, you call me 3 p.m. Okay, we'll see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today that is tomorrow. Tomorrow I will start the alkene, right? Today it is not good to start the alkene because we cannot study more. So tomorrow we'll finish the preparation. Next day properties. Like that we will finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then you practice this one confirmation now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.